Good morning, doctor. Do you have my test results?
Good morning. Yes, I've reviewed them.
Is everything all right?
Overall, your results look good.
That's a relief. Were there any concerns?
Just a slight vitamin D deficiency.
Oh, how can I fix that?
More sunlight and perhaps a supplement.
All right, I can do that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Hi, Mark. Have you looked at the menu yet?
Yes, but it's so big. Do you know what to order?
Not sure. Do you like noodles or rice more?
I like noodles. What about you?
I like rice, but noodles sound good too. Should we share?
That's a good idea. Do you want dumplings too?
Oh, yes, dumplings are my favorite. Do you like them steamed or fried?
I like them fried. Do you think we should try soup?
Yes, hot and sour soup sounds nice. Do you want that?
Sure. Do you want to order a drink too?
Yeah, maybe green tea. Do you like tea?
I do. Green tea is perfect. Let's order now.
Excuse me, do you know what the next stop is?
I think it's Central Station.
Oh, great. That's my stop.
Nice. Are you new to the city?
Yeah, first time taking the train here.
Don't worry. It's pretty easy once you get used to it.
Thanks. How many more minutes until we get there?
Maybe about 5 or 6 minutes.
Cool. I'll get my stuff ready then.
Good idea. Have a great day.
Hi, excuse me, is this the way to Lincoln Park?
Not exactly. You'll need to take a left at the next light.
Oh, thanks. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Should I go past the coffee shop?
Yes, walk past it and you'll see a big sign for the park.
Great. I'm terrible with directions.
Don't worry, just follow the trees and happy dogs.
Sounds like a fun route. Thanks a lot.
Anytime. Enjoy your walk to the park.
Hey, Jack, do you know what the weather is like today?
Yeah, I just checked. It's gonna be sunny all day.
Really? No rain at all?
Nope, not even a cloud in the sky.
That's great. I was thinking about going to the park.
Good idea. Just don't forget your sunglasses.
Thanks. Is it going to be hot?
A little warm, around 78 degrees.
Perfect weather for a picnic then.
Totally. Enjoy the sunshine while it lasts.
Hi, Tom. Do you know how much the movie tickets cost?
Hey, Sarah. I think they're around $12 for adults.
What about students? I still have my student ID.
Lucky you. Student tickets are only $8.
That's great. Do we need to buy them online?
You can, but they also sell them at the counter.
I hope it's not too crowded tonight.
Me too. Let's go early just in case.
Sounds good. Thanks for the info, Tom.
Anytime, Sarah. Let's enjoy the movie.
Hi, do you have any tour packages for the weekend?
Yes, we do. Are you looking for something outdoors or more relaxing?
I'd love something outdoors. Maybe a hiking tour?
Great! We have a guided mountain hike on Saturday.
That sounds perfect. How much is it?
It's $80 per person and includes lunch and transportation.
Nice. What time does the tour start?
It starts at 8 a.m. and finishes around 4 p.m.
Do I need to bring anything?
Just wear comfortable shoes and bring a water bottle.
Hi. Do you know why the train is late?
Yes, I heard there is a problem on the track.
Oh, no. How long is the delay?
About 30 minutes, they said.
That's not too bad. Is there another train soon?
No, we have to wait for this one.
I see. Do you travel by train often?
Yes, almost every day. Delays happen sometimes.
Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Let's hope it comes soon.
Hey, do you have an extra helmet I can use?
Yeah, I think I have one in the garage. Why?
I'm riding with Sarah, and she said I need one.
Good idea. Safety first. What size do you need?
Medium, I think. Nothing too tight.
Got it. Let me grab the black one I used last year.
Awesome, thanks. Does it have a visor?
Yeah, and it's in good shape.
Perfect. I'll return it tomorrow.
No rush. Just ride safe.
Hi, doctor. I've been having chest pain lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long has this been happening?
For about 2 weeks now. It worries me.
I understand. Have you had any shortness of breath or dizziness?
Yes. Sometimes when I walk fast.
I think it's best if you see a heart specialist.
Could you give me a referral to one?
Of course. I'll write a referral for a cardiologist.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Your health is important to me. Hi there. Do you know where I can find a tour guide for this place?
Yeah, there's a booth near the main entrance. Did you just get here?
Yep, it's my first time. I don't want to miss anything cool.
Good idea. The tour guides know all the hidden spots.
Awesome. Are they expensive?
Not really. Around $20 for a full tour.
That's not bad at all. Do they speak English well?
Yes, most of them are locals trained for tourists.
Perfect. I'll go check it out. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Enjoy the adventure.
Excuse me. Do you have this jacket in a medium?
Let me check for you. What size is that one?
This one's a large, but it feels too big.
Got it. What color are you looking for? Same one?
Yeah, I love this navy blue.
You're in luck. We have a medium in the back.
Awesome. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Thank you. I really hope this one doesn't make me look like a tent.
I'm sure it'll fit just right.
Excuse me, do you have change for a $10 bill?
Let me check. Yes, I do.
Great. I just need 5 $1 bills and a 5.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Buying something today?
Yeah, just grabbing some apples.
They're fresh and sweet. Great choice.
Hi, can you break a $20 bill for me?
Sure. What kind of change do you need?
I need 2 5s and 10 1s, please.
Let me check if I have enough ones.
No problem. I can wait.
Okay, here's 2 5s and 10 $1 bills.
Thanks. That's perfect.
You're welcome. Need anything else?
No, that's all. Have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me, do you know what time the bus leaves?
Yes, it leaves at 10:30 a.m.
Oh, thank you. Is that the last bus today?
No, there's another one at 1 p.m.
Great. I think I'll take the later one. Do you know how long the trip takes?
It usually takes about 2 hours.
That's perfect. Where can I buy the ticket?
You can buy it at the ticket counter over there.
Thanks a lot. Do they accept cash or card?
Both are okay. Have a good trip.